students, we are living on earth. Here are many of different kinds of animal lives. Yes, na? Yes. Some animal live in a forest and some live in our around us. Yes, na? Surrounding us. Also they are living in a farm, in a house, and we are see on the road many of the animals. Yes, na? Yes. The different kinds of animals, how they live and how they eat their foods. Today we are study about these all animals. The EVS subject semester 2 book, lesson number 3, the world of animals. The world of animals. World of animals means we have studied about the all thing of animals. Okay? Yes. The lesson number 3, the world of animal, page number 179. Okay? See, long ago, humans and animals lived freely in the forests and the other open lands. Many years ago, means long ago, maybe there is 1,000 years ago. That is, we didn't know about that. How many years long ago the animals and human, they are live together freely in the forest and in also the open lands. Slowly human moved out the forest. Afterward, what happened? Human moved the forest and they come to in the villages. They started to come to in the another side. They built houses and grew plants. They realized that some animals could be useful to them. That time, before all animals and human, when they live together, that time human didn't know about that what the uses of animals. After they are come to they are built to houses and grow the plants, then they can understand, they realized about some animals could be useful to them, so they tamed such animals. They tamed such animals means some animals live with that humans. Okay, so these animals also got used to living with humans. They also living with humans. Who? Animals. These are the animals that we see around our home and in farms. These all animals we see just now also we see around our homes and in farms. They are known as a domestic animal. Do you know domestic animal? Who those animals live with human and that animal is useful for to the human, that all animals we call a domestic animals. Got it? Good. Uses of the domestic animal. Now we have studied about what is the uses of domestic animals. We eat the eggs of birds such as the hens and duck. We also eat their meat. The human eat the eggs, also birds such as the hens and ducks. We also eat their meat. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and camels. See here, the cowman, he is a milkman. Also, he collect the milk from cows and also buffalo and goat and also camels. Okay, honeybees give us the honey and the wax. See, this is the honeybees. Honeybees give us a honey and wax. These both of useful for human. Horses, oxen, donkey, yaks and camels are useful in a pulling cart. This all is useful for pulling carts because they pulling a heavy load of humans. Yes, na? Yes. horses, oxen, donkey, yaks and camels are useful in pulling carts. See, here is a camel, this is a horse and here is a donkey. Oxen and camels are used by farmers to plough the fields. Oxen and camel also used in the farmers to plough the fields. See here, who is this? Yes, anyone say? Sheep. Yes, we get a wool. Yes, na? Yes. The wool from sheep, rabbits, camels and some goat is used to make a warm clothing. Not only give a sheep wool, also the wool from they are give to sheep, rabbits, camels and some goats is used to make a warm cloth. Okay, do you understand? Yes. See, catch up here. They are given one question. Farmers use sheep to plough fields. Yes or not? Sheep use if to plough? No. So false is there. Okay. See, let us see. Here is a picture of whom you know? Who tell me? Who is telling me now? Yes? Anyone guess? Yes, silkworm. What is this? Silkworm. We got a silkworm from silkworm. Okay? See. The skin of the dead animals is used to make the leather. Shoes, bags, belts and purses are made of a leather. See here purses, purse picture, then hat, then belt, bags, hand gloves, also shoes. That picture is showing that all thing is made up from by a leather. Shoes, bags, belts and purses are made of a leather. See. Next, we keep animals such as the dogs and cats as a pets. In our home, there is a cat and dog also we keep, na? Yes. Dogs guard our homes. What is the use of dogs? Dog guard our home. Cats keep mice away. Cat keep mice away. The dung of cows, horses, buffaloes and goats is used as a manure and fuel. Okay? Manure means that animal we use in our farming work, and fuel means some material we get burnt to in heat. Okay? Yes. Let us see next. Wild animal. Animals such as tigers, lions, deer, elephants, zebras and giraffe do not live among us. They lived in forest. They are known as wild animals. See here, before we all learn of the pet animal and yes, we keep in our home that animals and domestic animals. And now we have studied about the wild animals. Animals such as a tiger, lion, deer, elephant, zebras and giraffes do not live among us. All these animals we keep in our home. Yes, we keep in our home. No, na? No, because they are live in a forest. They live in a forest. They are known as a wild animal. See here all the pictures of animals. Elephant. Here is a bear, zebra, giraffe, tiger, rhino, that also fox. That all is the animals picture they are showing here. Do you understand? Yes, very good. We are now going to in zoo. This is a picture of zoo, na? Yes. Maybe all of you visit this zoo. Yes, na? Yes. If you are not, then after some days, tell to your mother, request to your father and go to zoo. See, zoos. It is not possible for most of us to go to the jungle to see the wild animal. If possible to go into jungle, forest to see a wild animal? No, na? No. So, that is why we have zoos. A zoo is a place where wild animals are kept in the enclosed place for visitors to see. In the zoo, there is a keep the animals, wild animals, enclosed place for a visitors to see. When you are going to there, you see there all animals is the very closely enclosed in a very near of you. Okay, see. Some zoos are big. They have large space and many different animals. They have opened the places for animals to move about. Some animals are kept in cages. Some animals are kept in cages. Why they are kept in cages? Yes, because they are wild and they are harmful for a human. Yes, na? Yes, and surrounding animals. So that's why some animals they are kept in cages. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Now next see animals that live in water. Some animals live in water. Many animals live in water bodies for most or all their life. They are known as aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means that animals live in water and they all of their life live in water, so we call them aquatic animals. Okay, who are in these aquatic animals including? Yes, na? Let us see. Fish, turtles, sharks, whale and dolphins are aquatic animals. Fish, turtle, shark, whale and dolphin are aquatic animals. These all is aquatic animals. We call them this also seashells. Here is also seashell. Here is a seashells. Here that all is aquatic animals. Okay. Yes, very good. Now see animals' homes. Like us, the animals also need the place where they can rest. They also need where they can rest. The homes of the domestic animals are built for their animal by their owners. Pets such as cats and dogs stay inside our homes. See, pets and cats also, dogs also live in our home. Yes, na? Yes. And another is animal like a horse, like a buffalo, cows. That like animals, they the built of for their animals home by their owners. Some dogs have a kennel built for them. See here, the dog's house is a kennel. Cow and buffaloes are kept in a shed. This is a shed of cow and buffaloes. Horses are kept in a stable. Hens and geese are kept safe inside of the coops. This is the house of hens and geese. That is the name of coops. Now we have studied about the natural homes. Natural homes means any owner build a house. That is a natural house. Some animals find homes for themselves in natural places. Big land animals such as lions, tigers, elephants and deer rest on the forest floor. In places where there are the mountains and caves, the animals use the caves as their hidden home or a dens. They find their homes for caves and hidden home or a dens. Like this. Small and land animals such as rabbits, moles and rats dig a tunnel or hole in the ground to live. These are called burrows. The rabbit and mouse and another that moles like that they dig a tunnel or hole in the ground to live. Okay? Yes. Let us see next. Animals such as a monkey and birds live in mostly on the trees. Monkey where lives on the tree and also the birds where live on a tree. Hippos, crocodile and water birds such as cranes and ducks live in or near a water body. See, here is the hippo, the crocodile and some of the birds. They are ducks and they are cranes, also cranes. They are live near of the water body. Now we have studied about the what is the food of animals. Food animals eat. Domestic animals depend on humans of their food. Farm animals such as cows, horses, pigs, hens and geese eat grains and hay that are grown in the field. Pets such as dog and cats eat cooked food. They also eat cooked food. Wild animals eat food that is found around them. Animals such as giraffes, elephants, camels, sheep, rabbits and cows eat only plant food. They are herbivorous. Herbivorous means who those animals eat only plants that we call herbivorous. Okay. See who that herbivorous animals. Let us see here picture. They are showing here. Giraffe. Here. Giraffe, elephant, cows, then rabbits, that all animals eat plants, okay, and some of the birds that we call herbivorous, such as tigers, lions, crocodile, wolves and eagles eat the flesh of other animal. These all such animals that tiger, lion, crocodile, wolves and eagles eat the flesh of other animals. They do not eat the plant food. They are carnivores. They only eat another animals that we call carnivores. Bear, foxes, peacocks, monkeys, sparrows and human beings eat both plant and animals food. They are called omnivores. Who those? Bears, fox, peacocks, monkey, sparrow and human being eat both plant and animal food that are omnivores. See here peacock, fox, then sparrow, monkeys, that is some animal, humans, they are eat plants and animals, both of things. So we call them omnivores. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Elephant found in the jungles of India. Sri Lanka and Thailand can be tamed. They can be trained to live among the humans. Elephants found in the jungles of Africa cannot be tamed. In Africa jungles and Africa forests, there is a founded animals, elephants. They are not tamed elephants. But in the India, in Sri Lanka and Thailand, there is a elephant is tamed. Okay, so they are live with the humans. Okay, yes, very good. The words of splash. Plug. The turn the soil to sow seeds. Zoo, a place where wild animals are kept in the enclosure for visitor to see. Manure, doing dung of animals added to soil to make the plants grow well. Sorry. Fuel, material that is burned to give a heat. The enclosed, closed from all sides. Aquatic animals, animals that live in water. What we recall, the animal that tamely among the human beings and depend on them for their food are called a domestic animal. They live with a human. Animals that live freely in the forest and find their own food are called wild animals. Animals that live in water for the most for all the life of the called aquatic animals. Animals such as cows, giraffes, deer and elephants eat the flesh only plant. They are called herbivores. Animals such as lion, tigers, crocodile, eagles eat other animals' food. They are carnivores, and animals such as bear, bear, fox, and peacocks eat both plants and animals. They call a omnivores. Do you understand this lesson? Yes, very good. Thank you.